This is the Benici 12-piece artist brush set, and it is awesome. You're going to receive 12 pieces, and they're going to vary from round, flat, liner, even fan too. This is perfect for all your artistic needs, whether you're painting on fabric, canvas, paper, wood, or even on models. This is going to be perfect for you. And let me show you a close-up of what you're going to receive. Here's a close-up of the 12 artist brushes. As you can see, they all have different types of tips. And on the back side, we'll show you exactly what you're going to be receiving. From fan to liners, glaze, flat, filbert, angle, and round brushes too. This is perfect for watercolor, oil, as well as acrylic paint too. And it's also very easy to clean, and it holds paint well, and it has easy to hold handles. I was sent this from Benici, and I absolutely love it. Thank you so much for watching, and hope you found this video helpful.